Can you screenshot in Snapchat without the other person knowing? Let's get started. First things first, those old methods you have probably seen online: airplane mode, clearing cache, deleting the app, or trying to swipe up while taking a screenshot. Those don't really work anymore. Snapchat updates in 2025 have made those tricks almost useless. So, what actually works? The only reliable way right now is using screen mirroring. On iPhone with iOS 18, Apple introduced a new feature called iPhone mirroring. With it, you can mirror your entire iPhone screen to a Mac. Once your Snapchat is mirrored on your Mac, you can take a screenshot directly on your Mac, and Snapchat won't detect it because technically the screenshot is happening on your computer, not a phone. This is not the easiest way, but you can definitely take a screenshot in Snapchat without other person knowing. So that's a wrap for this video. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.